Okay, so we believe to have a critter in our chimney pipe. So this is our contraption to get them out. We've got a plastic sheet formed into a tube falling into a plastic bucket. And we're going to try and release the critter.
Here we go. I'm starting. Here we go.
This is cool.
Go.
Go ahead, break it. I'm so scared. I'm scared.
Keep going.
Hey, don't go blasting that lid down
Shh, God. Shush.
there. No, and we find out what it is.
Okay.
Because don't go blasting and you break the seal and it flies away.
Okay. Tell me when.
Oh, it's a bird. It's a friggin' bird.
Okay.
Oh, it's a big bird. Is he stuck in him? No.
I don't know.
He got his wings stuck in
Okay,
there.
I don't know what to say.
You killed him. He's dead.
Oh, he's not dead.
Did his wing is stuck.
Yeah. Watch the
There he is.
release.
He's
Go
okay.
videotape the release.
No, look at him.
Hi, baby. What if there's more? Hurry up and put this cap back on.
Hold on. I want to videotape the release. Move. Go. Let's go.
Okay.
Get him on, Ash.
Yeah.
Get him out there and then we'll put a brick or put a shoe on him so he can keep
We
him
saved
out
the
there.
baby
He's
bird.
alive.
He's not even a baby. He's so dumb. Ow.
Give me a shoe and put it on there.
Ow.
Something else in that pipe.
I know, honey. Get the shoe and put it on there.
Why do you need a shoe?
Hey, put something on there so you don't go crazy.
He got me falling on video.
Yeah? Oh, you were doing it?
Yeah. I was like, my ankle just like cut out.
Hi, birdie.
All right, I'm going to go get the cap on.
Okay. The cap's in there.
Oh, yeah, I can't get the cap on there. What are you going to do with him?
Well, just take the lid off and let him fly away.
He was nesting in there, see it?
Yeah. Are you still videotaping?
Yeah.
Why don't you not videotape?
But I wanna videotape the release.
Well, honey, you got to get him out in the driveway and go
Okay.
away.
Well, Mom, I got me falling on video.
You sure you know bird flying around the house, ain't you?
This is making me not too happy.
Well, he's okay. He's the bird. I can't believe he's a bird.
I don't believe it's bird either. Now I'm afraid he can't fly.
Oh, he flies, ain't he? Amy, honey, there's plastic taped on there. He's not going to be able to get out until you undo the plastic.
Well, come do it.
Well, honey, I'm going to come and do it. You do it. Look at him looking at us. He's like all stupid looking.
Well, I think he can't fly anymore because he probably can't fly anymore because we trapped his wing in there.
Cap on there. Freaking bird. If we didn't know what they expected, I thought it was a bat. It's like, hey, you guys do what you need to do. Yeah. Alright. Hey, Mom, you do it. I did all the dirty work so far. We gotta pull the plastic off, hon. Honey, it's a bird.
Well, then why are you standing over there if it's just a bird?
Okay.
Oh my God! Get out!
Ashley, get closer. Videotape.
No, I'm zoomed in.
No, go right above him. Come on.
Well, I gotta knock it over so he flies out.
Hey,
Yes,
come
knock
on.
it over.
Weird.
Hey, bird. Bird.
Kick it over, Ed.
Ah, he's kind of cute.
Why a bird?
What kind of bird is he?
And obviously, honey, he was nesting.
Yeah.
He's really cute.
Yeah. No, not toward the house. Toward the road. He won't leave.
Get him, man.
Because it's his nest.
Oh, he's going. He's going. He's right there.
All right, go.
Ah!
Bye-bye, birdie.
That's crazy.